St. Catherine Specialty Hospital is one of the best in the world. Especially World Taekwondo is very much pleased to have designating this hospital as World Taekwondo. And I believe that this designation of the St. Catherine Specialty Hospital and our Taekwondo family will really enhancing the athletes' health and everything for the players. I believe this one of the renowned, and we are very much honored and to signing MOU together with the St. Catherine Specialty Hospital. After this signing, and our all Taekwondo athletes around the world they are going to really supporting by the St. Catherine Specialty Hospital. So it's both very beneficial, and we are very pleased that World Taekwondo is the first international sports federation to designate this hospital as a partner.
St. Catherine Hospital is a worldwide recognized hospital that has multi-specialty that excels all the subspecialties. And this hospital focuses on world-level athletes and also people coming from all over the world. I'm so impressed by all the cutting-edge technologies and great teamwork and how clean this hospital is in effort of decreasing the infection rate. We are so pleased that we designated the St. Catherine Hospital as the first ever World Taekwondo recognized Center of Excellence for sports medicine and rehabilitation because this hospital clearly is the best hospital that we designated without any doubt for our Taekwondo athletes' safety and health promotion. And I hope this will be a great message to other the countries involved in Taekwondo to promote the health and safety for our Taekwondo athletes.
I would like to thank you, President Choue, the medical committee of the World Taekwondo, the council, and everyone for this wonderful recognition. Taekwondo is our love, it's our passion, it's philosophy of our lives. And St. Catherine Hospital as European Center of Excellence for Personalized Medicine will do all we can to improve the quality of the providing healthcare. As a center of the personalized medicine, we highly appreciate the new knowledge on the whole genome sequencing, multi-omics, stem cell application, and everything that is going to benefit for our athletes. Finally, I strongly believe that future depends on what we do today. We are determined to be center of the excellence for World Taekwondo in order to benefit to all athletes worldwide. And once again, I would like to thank President Choue and World Taekwondo for this wonderful opportunity.